Hi everyone, it's Ed here, your faceless YouTuber, sharing my 10-year journey with cacti and succulents. In today's episode, let's talk about something fun, styling your plants so they look amazing, both in your space and in your photos, without breaking the bank. If you've ever scrolled through Instagram or Pinterest and thought, how do people get their plants to look that good? This episode is for you. Tip 1. Start with the right pot. You don't need fancy designer pots. Look for simple terracotta, ceramic, or cement pots with drainage holes. They're affordable and stylish. Thrift stores, dollar stores, and garden centers often have hidden gems. Personal story. One of my favorite plant displays? A mix of $1 thrifted mugs I drilled holes in. Instant charm. Subscriber question. Ed, do matching pots matter? Not at all. Mixing different shapes and textures can look more natural and interesting. Tip 2. Group your plants for impact. Group plants in odd numbers, like 3s or 5s, for a natural look. Vary the heights. Mix tall cacti with low-growing succulents. Use trays or shallow baskets to make mini plant scenes. Fun fact, in interior design, odd numbers feel more balanced to our eyes. That's why plant trios work so well. Tip 3. Use natural materials. Add rocks, driftwood, or gravel around your plants for a desert-inspired vibe. Top dress with decorative pebbles to make pots look neat and clean. Personal story. After a trip to the garden center, I started using aquarium gravel as top dressing. It was cheaper and looked great. Subscriber question. Can I use sand as a top layer? Yes, but go easy. Too much sand can trap moisture if it's fine grain. Try coarse sand or small pebbles instead. Tip 4. Light equals instant upgrade. Place plants where they get lots of natural light. It helps them look their best. In photos, natural light near windows or on patios makes colors pop. Pro tip. A bright south-facing window is gold for indoor succulent displays in most of the US. Tip 5. Get creative with containers. Repurpose old items. Tea tins, wooden boxes, even toy trucks just add drainage holes. Just make sure the container lets water drain freely. Style and function. Personal story. One of my most liked plant photos? A cactus planted in an old cowboy boot planter I found at a flea market. Tip 6. Keep it clean and tidy. Trim off dead leaves or dried up blooms. Wipe dust off the leaves before snapping pics. It really makes a difference. Fun fact. Clean leaves equals better photos and healthier plants, since they can absorb more light. Top 5 styling tips recap. 1. Group plants in odd numbers and vary the heights. 2. Use natural materials like rocks and driftwood for extra charm. 3. Get creative with inexpensive, repurposed containers. 4. Make sure your plants are getting great light. It shows in their color and growth. 5. Keep your plants and pots clean for the best look. Challenge. Try styling one plant group today. Maybe switch up your pots or add some gravel top dressing. Snap a photo and see how it transforms your space. That's part 10. Now you can make your succulents and cacti Instagram-worthy on a budget. In part 11, we'll explore choosing the best succulents and cacti for beginners. Low-maintenance picks you'll love. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy styling.